Yourself with Sarah Dawkins. Episode 5, Mental Healing. Our mental health affects how we cope with life, from our thinking, feeling and actions. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others and make choices. There are many things that we can do to improve our mental health, like practicing gratitude, mindfulness and relaxation techniques, meditating, and having a positive look on life. Practicing gratitude has many positive effects on our health and life. The more you can bring your attention to what you feel grateful for, the more things you will notice to feel grateful for. It's important to express thanks to the people who help us and acknowledge the things that we are grateful for in life. The little things, the moments, they're not little, and expressing gratitude for them can uplift your day. Focusing on gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to rewire your brain for more joy and less stress. Writing it down in a gratitude journal helps us to get into the rhythm of being aware of all the things we can have gratitude for. Here are some things that you can have gratitude for. Something that made you smile or laugh. Something you're good at. What you enjoyed most in your day. An act of kindness someone showed you. A good meal. Something in nature. Something that helps you to relax. A song. A technology that makes your life easier. Someone who inspires you. And a good experience and a favourite quote. It's important to allow yourself a moment to enjoy the positive experience. Practicing gratitude can help you see your life differently as you look for the things that raise you up. When you feel stressed, you might not notice the little things that can bring some positive emotions, and gratitude helps you to recognise them. Here are 5 ways to practice gratitude daily. Keep a journal, write down events, people, things you enjoy and have gratitude for in your daily life to remind yourself of the good things in life. Remember the bad things and hard times to show you how far you've come. This helps you to express gratitude for your resilience and forward motion. Share your gratitude with others and let people know that you appreciate what they do. See your body as a gift through the lens of gratitude. You are a miracle. By smiling, saying thank you, writing letters of gratitude, you'll trigger the emotion of gratitude more often. Let's move on to mindfulness. It's not about emptying your mind. It's more about stabilising your attention and training your mind to be more focused and calmer in everyday life. We can bring mindfulness to everyday activities simply by tuning into our senses, which help us to be present in what we're doing rather than be lost in our thinking. Using our senses, we can become aware, accepting and mindful of the external world. We can only see, smell, touch, taste and hear in the present. Mindfulness is a great tool for stress management and overall wellness because it can be used at virtually any time and brings lasting results. Following mindfulness exercises are simple and convenient and can lead you to a deeper understanding and experience of mindfulness in your daily life. Mindfulness can be as simple as breathing. One of the simplest ways to experience mindfulness, which can be done as you go about your daily activities, is to focus on your breathing. Breathe from your belly rather than from your chest, and try and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focusing on the sound and the rhythm of your breath can have a calming effect and help you stay grounded and in the present moment. When you're stressed and busy, it can be difficult to stop focusing on the rapid stream of thoughts running through your mind. So the idea of sitting in meditation and holding off the onslaught of thought can cause more stress. If this sounds like you, the mindfulness exercise of observing your thoughts might be better. Rather than working against the voice in your head, sit back, observe your thoughts, instead of becoming involved in them. As you observe them, you might find your mind quietening and the thoughts becoming less stressful. Virtually any activity can be a mindfulness exercise. You can bring mindfulness to anything you do and find yourself less stressed and more grounded in the process. Use your senses to bring you into the present moment. You can also use cues to bring yourself into the present moment, like when you hear a phone ring, a dog bark, a child's voice, or even when you look in the mirror. Mindfulness cues are an excellent mindfulness technique that are designed to snap us out of the unconscious autopilot state of mind and bring us back into the present moment. Remember, life consists only of moments, nothing more. There is only ever this now moment. The past once was the present, and the future will be too. Until then, the past is a memory and the future is a dream. Moving on to meditation. Meditation brings many benefits in its own right, but it's also a great mindfulness exercise tool. Meditation becomes easier with practice. Find a comfortable place free of distractions and quieten your mind. Focus on your breathing and slow it down. Be aware of your breath as it moves into and out of your body. If quietening your mind is a struggle, there are many guided meditations on different video channels on the internet. Choose a meditation that fits with the state of being you want now or for your future self, and for the duration you think you can sit for. It's important to find someone's voice that suits you. A guided meditation requires concentration to listen to it and make the pictures in your mind that it suggests, which in turn helps to quieten your mind. Relaxation techniques are practices that you do to produce your body's natural relaxation response. These slow down your breathing, lower your heart rate, and reduce muscle tension and stress. Types of relaxation techniques include progressive relaxation, where you tighten and relax different muscle groups, sometimes while using mental imagery or breathing exercises. Guided imagery, where you learn to focus on positive images in your mind to help you feel more relaxed and focused. Self-hypnosis, where the goal is to get yourself into a relaxed, trance-like state when you hear a certain suggestion or see a specific cue. Deep breathing exercises, which involve focusing on taking slow, deep, and even breaths. I'll now take you through a mindful body scan meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, relax. Every breath in you take, relax further on the out breath. Now bring your awareness to your toes and your feet. Feel any sensations that may be present. Feel any airflow, the temperature. Just be aware of how your feet are feeling. Now move your attention to your ankles. Feel the sensations in and around your ankles. So any vibration, the temperature, are they touching something? Simply be aware. Now bring your attention to your lower legs, your calves, your shins. Feel any sensations. Feel the touch of anything against them. Any heat or cool. Any heaviness. Now bring your awareness up to your knees. Simply be aware. Feel the feelings, the sensations. Are they tight Are they relaxed? If there's tightness, just let it go on the out-breath. Now move your attention to your thighs. Feel the clothes, the bed, the chair that surround them. Feel any pressure against them, any sensations within them. If there's any tightness, breathe in relaxation and breathe out the tightness. Moving on now to your pelvis and your bottom. Feel the sensation against your clothes, the chair, the bed. Any tightness, any heaviness. Simply be aware and breathe into it. Move your awareness up now to your abdomen and lower back. Just being curiously aware of any sensations or tightness that might be here. If it's tight, breathe in the peace and relaxation and breathe out the tightness and let it go. Moving up now to your chest and upper back. Be aware of it touching your clothes, the bed, the chair. Notice anything that's present in this area. Breathe in, breathe out and let it go. Moving on to your shoulders and your neck. Just be aware of any sensations around these areas. If it's tight, let it go. Relax into it. And now bring awareness to your head and your face. Scan your jaw and your throat for any tightness. Breathe in, breathe out any tightness that might be there. Breathe in again, feel the air moving in and out of your nose. And breathe out and feel the air moving through your body from your lungs. Now stay in the present moment with the breath flowing in and out of your body. Simply aware to whatever arises. This may include thoughts, feelings, sensations, sounds, stillness and silence. Notice how you may tend to react to impulses, thoughts, memories and worries. Let yourself purposely observe them without rejecting or pursuing them. Practice simply seeing and letting go. Seeing and letting go. Simply be present and aware. Now take a deep breath, wiggle your toes, move your feet, stretch in whichever way you like. Come back into the room, awake and fully present. And as we bring this practice to a close, may we be peaceful and at ease. May our hearts be soft and open. May we be safe and protected, and our bodies healthy and strong. Thank you for being with me here today, and I'll see you next week.